Hi kids, today we are getting into the lesson. Now we are going to see environmental studies. In that first lesson, our food. Before getting into the lesson, I'll ask you one question. How do we grow? How do we grow? And after growing, what are all the activities we will do? Do you know the answer? Anyone know the answer? Okay, let me tell you. To do some activities, we need energy. To do each and every activities like studying, working, thinking, playing, for all of these work, we need energy to do one work. Right? Got it? Okay. How do we get energy? How do we get energy? Right. By eating food, we get energy. By eating food, we get energy. Okay. Let us get into the lesson. The first topic is, why do we need food? Why do we need food? I already told you that for getting energy, we need food. For getting energy, we need food. How many times we eat food? How many times we eat food per day? We eat 3 times per day. We eat 3 times per day. Okay. What are all the food we will take? Morning breakfast, afternoon lunch and night dinner or supper. I'll repeat it. Morning breakfast, afternoon lunch, night time dinner or supper. In these 3 meals, we should not skip the breakfast. In these 3 meals, we should not skip the breakfast. Breakfast is most important to our health, because the whole night after a long gap, we should not skip the morning food. We are sleeping long time, no, there is a long break. So, we should eat some food in the morning, that is we should not skip the breakfast. Okay. The next topic is energy giving food. The next topic is energy giving food. In the topic itself, there is one hint. What is that hint? Energy. Very good. What is the hint? Energy. By eating this kind of food, we get energy. Let me know what are all the food. Food like rice, wheat, sugar, jaggery, ghee and butter. I'll repeat once again. Rice, wheat, sugar, jaggery, ghee and butter. These types of food are rich in energy. These food helps us to get more energy. So, we are taking rice, wheat, sugar, jaggery, etc. You may ask one question. Ma'am, there is more energy in sugar. Right? There is more energy in sugar. And so, we can eat more chocolates. This question will be rising inside you. This is wrong. Eating more chocolate is bad to our teeth. Eating more chocolate is very bad to our teeth. So, you should not eat more chocolates. Okay? Okay. What is energy giving food? Rice, wheat, sugar, jaggery, ghee and butter are energy giving food. The next one is body building food. Body building food. Okay. Here the body building foods are milk, fish, meat, pulses, cheese and paneer. Milk, fish, meat, pulses, cheese and paneer. These are all the food build our body and keep our body very healthy. These food helps us to keep our body healthy. Okay. In this third topic, we should notice that in milk is the food which contains more calcium. More calcium are present in milk. So, we should drink at least 1 glass of milk per day. Okay, kids? We should drink at least 1 glass of milk per day. This is the point to remember in the third para. The next topic is protective foods. The next topic is protective foods. Protective food helps us to stay healthy and strong. Protective food keeps us more healthy and strong. It also helps us to keep our muscles and bone very stronger. Okay. What are all the food are known as protective food? Fruits and vegetables are known as protective food. Fruits and vegetables are protective food. Okay. The next one is balanced diet. The next one is balanced diet. What is balanced diet? What is balanced diet? An equal amount of energy giving food, body building food and protective food are known as balanced diet. Equal amount of energy giving food, body building food and protective food is known as balanced diet. We should take these 3 types of food equally, that is known as balanced diet. Okay. Here in this topic we should know one point and we should remember it. At least minimum 8 to 10 glass of water we should drink. Minimum at least 8 to 10 glass of water we should drink. You may ask why we should drink water. Why we should drink water? Water helps the food to digest. Water helps the food to digest. So, we should drink more amount of water. The next one is source of food. Next one is source of food. Where do we get food? Where do we get food? From where do we get food? From plants and animals we get food. I'll give some example. Before giving an example, I'll ask you one question. What are all the food we get from plants? What are all the things we get from plants? We get very good. Fruits and vegetables are given by plants. Fruits and vegetables are given by plants. Okay. Likewise, what are all things given by animals? What are all the things given by the animals? Do you know that? Do you know that? Okay. I will tell you. Do you remember egg and milk? Where do we getting from egg and milk? Egg we will get it from hen. We will get the egg from hen. And what about milk? What about milk? Very good. Cow gives us milk. Cow gives us milk. Do you clear? Do you all clear? The two source of food is plants and animals. The two source of food is plant and animal. Next topic is junk food. Do you all know the junk food? What are all the junk food? You love to eat junk food, right? Junk foods are nothing but pizza, burger, cool drinks and fried items, fried chips like that. That kind of food are known as junk food. Is junk food is healthy to our body? No, junk food is not healthy. It is very harm to our health. you should not eat too much of junk food. Okay, you should eat only healthy food. Okay. The next one is food habits. Food habits. In this food habits, we have 3 types of food. First one is vegetarians. The second one is non-vegetarians. First, let me know these 2 types and later I will tell you about the third type. First one is vegetarian. You all already know that the people who are eating only vegetables is known as vegetarian, and the people who are eating fish, meat, chicken, etc. are known as non-vegetarian. Right? You already know these 2 types very well. The people who is not eating the milk or milk products, which is nothing but the food obtained from the animals, is known as vegans. The food obtained from animals also people won't eat. That type of people is known as vegans. Right? Do you all clear? Vegetarians will eat only vegetables and non-vegetarian eat both fruits, vegetables and also fish, meat, chicken, egg and etc. And the third one is the food which is obtained from animals, they won't eat. The third one is vegan. That kind of people are known as vegan. Okay. The last topic is raw food and cooked food. Raw food is nothing but the vegetables that can be eaten without cooking is known as raw food. The vegetables which can be eaten without cooking. For example, vegetables like cucumber, radish, carrot, beetroot. These types of vegetables can be eaten raw. That is, without cooking we can eat the vegetables. That kind of vegetables are known as raw food. And the next one is cooked food. Cooked food in the sense pulses, cereals and vegetables like potato, cauliflower, that kind of vegetables cannot be eaten raw. That is, they can only eat after cooking. Right? I hope today's class is clear to you. Keep revise with your parents' help and keep the reading habit regularly. Thank you. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.